everybody, so today I'm going to teach you how to make some slime with Play-Doh, water, and dish soap. So there's two different slimes we're going to be making, well three. Okay, so I just got my green, my orange, and my purple right here. And three different slime colors. So first we're going to start off with the butter slime. You'll need some Play-Doh. I'm going to take purple for this. So open my Play-Doh. Make sure it's not used. Anybody didn't use this for slime. So I'm gonna get a plate. So I just got a plate for my cabinet right here. I'm just gonna get a little plate for the Play-Doh. Put my Play-Doh on this plate. As you can see, I'm doing right now. A little bit because my phone is in the way of everything all the time. Like, I need to get the new camera, like, instead of a phone. There, almost done. Okay, so we got that. As you can see right here, I got my Play-Doh on my plate, purple. So you're gonna take your dish soap and just add a little bit, like that much. And you're going to mix it together with your hands and fork. This might take a long time to turn into slime. You just need to start playing with it and stuff to make it mushy. See, it's already mushy enough. Just mixing that up. The next one, the last one we're going to be doing was my idea of the slime. See, as you roll it up, add more just soap. So see, got some slime now. You can use dish soap or lotion for your butter slime, but I prefer to use dish soap because I think I have lotion. So you're gonna put it back in your Play-Doh Tupperware. Put your tub back on so it can stay overnight. This will take a second. So I just got done washing my hands and I didn't dry them. So let me just dry my hands. All good. Better. Okay. Let me get that in. So that was one slime. You see, my fingernails filled with Play-Doh. So we're starting now with the green slime. So as you see, I just opened it. Perfect green color. Nobody used it. That's a good thing. Because if nobody used it, that's good because I'm using all the Play-Doh. Not all the Play-Doh that I have, all the Play-Doh in the Tupperware, just to make it a little bit easier. It has a little green in there, just a little bit though. See? So now we're going to stick it in our water. And let it sit there for a little bit until we get it over. So now we're going to go on to the last one while this is in the cup. Soaking. Get a spoon for this. Perfect. So I can just mix it anytime. Yeah, all you have to do is get cold water so it could go faster. If you got hot water, that wouldn't be good because it wouldn't be mushy as much. So now you can see I got my orange slime. I might need another cup for this, so got one right here in my little cup. Take my orange Play-Doh out. Fill it up with some cold water first, though. Do that first. You only need a little bit, though, because you're not going to be using a lot if you use the little Tupperwares. But if you use the big Tupperwares, it would be the same thing, but you have to pour more, a little bit water. Okay. Got that out, I guess. Okay, so as you can see, this is Play-Doh. I'm gonna stick it. Put some in here. You will also need your spoon to stir it as well. So as that's going and getting ready, I'm gonna clean up, let this sit right here in the sunlight because that will make it more mushier as well. So, see you guys in a little bit. So, our orange slime is done, so we're going to take our dish soap and just do that. So, mix it with our spoon that we had last time. Mix it up a bit. That's good. I think this will make the slime more slimier as last time. Mushy. Okay, so it's still a little bit, don't want to do that, so it's still a little bit mushy. Trying not to, stick it on the plate as much, but worth a shot. This is my only ingredient, let's hope it works. Nobody else can do this, but you can copy my idea. I'm totally fine with it. Okay, since that is now mushed up, you can drain your water out of the plate or bowl, whatever you're using, cup. It doesn't matter. I'm using a plate, I don't know what these are called, but to make it easier, so the water can stay in it with it as much. So I'd suggest probably using a bowl or one of these plates. Okay, so we're gonna fill our slime now. Let's hope we succeeded. Oh, we made it, slime. We made it, slime. We did it, you guys. This is slime for you. Okay, put it back in the Tupperware. Wash mine. Legally hands, as always. Okay, so that's washed and all this orange stuff off the freaking sink. Use that. Put it in the Tupperware to let it sit. Put it there. Now we're gonna check our other one. Rinse this off so I don't want to that should be good. Get this off a little bit. It's okay if it's a dirty spoon because it doesn't really matter. You're just making slime for fun. Which smells good. Okay, put on my plate. This is still a little bit hard. Just a little bit. No, I'm gonna use my hands. This is the part where you use your hands when it's still a bit hard. Okay, stick that back in there. And the green slime is done. I can't wait to see how the slime turns. And how well I did. I think I did this last time. I don't remember, but I did. Get that out of my fingernail for once. Perfect. Now. Okay, this is still green slime. Let's hope this works. I'm stirring it now. Because I didn't stir it as much. No, on my own, please. I have to work that up with the sponge. Dry stuff. Why not use it? Okay, stick in there because it's not as hard. If it's really, really, really hard, that means you can add a little dish soap. I'm making 3 kinds because, you know, never have too much slime. It's fun. Slime is really fun to make and play with, you know. So mushing is kind of like a stress toy. This is a choice. I have these little water balloons, and one day I'm gonna try to find a water balloon and put slime in the water balloon to make a little stress ball. Hoping that it doesn't pop. Okay, this is all done. Well, that already went in the sink, so I should be fine. Stick the fricker in there. Okay, close the Tupperware. Put it up here with the others. Wash my hands again. Perfect. Drying my hands again. That's better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, please like and subscribe. Make sure to hit that little bell down below. And I will be leaving my Musical.ly name down below and my Instagram name. But my Instagram is private, so you're probably going to have to follow me and I'll probably request you. But if you're a creep, frick you. Okay. And there. So there's no evidence. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification. Bye.